It is very nice to see everyone try a very Canadian sport last week with me, and we find out there is a professional curler in the school.
Hi everyone, I'm Kate, and we are now the curling club. I play the curling have been maybe 5 or 6 years, and I think curling can keep our health, and I think they can understand how to play this sport.
Welcome to week 4. Would you believe that we're already halfway through this 7-week term? How's it going for you so far? This is Kevin. He wants to know how things are going for you too. Thanks, Kevin.
Maybe like starting to get improved in different subjects. For example, being good at writing, listening, speaking. So yeah, maybe like getting much experiences with English.
I feel like I have improved my listening skills and speaking skills because we discuss a lot in the class and we talk about the topic a lot. Yeah.
I think my essay outline is stronger because I practice a lot.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes, Terry is a good teacher.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Shane. I'm the student in EAP 145. I improved my speaking skill and writing skill. We're basically writing every day, and we like to join our CC club, and we gonna meet a lot of good friends. They're friendly, so have a good time.
The SEC theme this week is university expectations. So I'm going to tell you a secret. Part of my job is after the final exam, I sit with students who did not pass the writing part of the exam. And they always say to me, "Oh, I should have," or "I wish I had." Guess what? We're only halfway through. It's not too late. So I want you to really take an inventory of yourself. Think about how you've been doing. So are you doing some of the things that you need to do to be successful this term? So behaviors that I think will help you: going to class, showing up on time, doing your assignments, checking how you're doing on those assignments to see your grade, but also get feedback from your instructor. So if you need help, check with your instructor, and I'm always here. We can come up with a plan on how you can get to the finish line successfully. In workshops this week, we'll be taking a look at the top 60 words from the academic word list. We'll practice our listening, looking for key details. We'll work on some reading skills to help you get evidence to support your position. And then in Conversation Club, we'll be talking about expectations. I hope you'll join me. This week, we're having a book fair. Now here's the fun part. All the books are free. So we have old textbooks, dictionaries, books in English. Come to the SEC space and you can take up to 3 books for free. I'd like to invite you to do something different with me on Friday. The university is offering a free workshop on mental health and wellness for international students. Sign up and come with me. We'll leave the SEC space at 1 p.m. on Friday.
If you don't have any plans for the weekend, why don't you go to YF to see some ice sculptures? Ice on White is an annual event in Edmonton, and the art will be different every year.
And this one!